Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have the location tags option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off or another tap to turn it on again, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also, the important information here is that to make it work, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left corner here to this button. By tapping on it we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down to get access to the details, and here we have the full address with the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.